21st century medicine is advancing at a blinding pace. But many doctors are the first to admit they don't have all the answers. For every modern miracle cure, there can also be a traditional home remedy, a herbal alternative, or an ancient therapy people swear by. Many of these treatments have been handed down the generations. But how many of them actually work?
Hello. Step into my office, Steve.
Thank you.
I'm Jan Fran,
Why do you think it works?
and in this new series, we meet the everyday Australians who claim their homespun health cures work miracles.
What do you got? Plain yogurt or dandruff?
It is hemp kombucha.
Breastfeeding enhancing smoothie.
The most promising treatments will be scientifically trialled by an independent research team.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you so much.
But first, they have to convince our team of medical experts.
This could be life-changing for the health of Australians.
Journalist and doctor Ginny Mansberg,
I'm trying to fight my science brain. I really am.
medical research specialist Professor Ash Hay,
I just have to make a confession. I'm a convert.
and groundbreaking neurosurgeon Dr. Charlie Teo.
Everyone thinks of medicine as being black and white, that we have the answers to everything. It's not true. In fact, many of these alternative treatments may be the answer that we've been searching for decades.
It cures a cough and it's a beer.
Yeah.
With diverse remedies,
I'm a laughter researcher.
I make my own deodorant.
I believe I've discovered a cure for baldness.
Baldness?
Yeah.
from the traditional
My grandfather passed down to my father, and now it's passing on to me.
This is the Peruvian smell. You probably feel
I've
that.
smelled that before.
to the controversial.
Drink it and you should be cured.
Cured.
Cured. This saved my vagina.
And extreme.
It's maggot tea.
No.
way is that going up my...
Oh my God.
The pressure is on to decide
It tastes great.
which treatments are worthy of a real-world scientific trial.
Asha, I'm going to completely disagree with you here. I think this is everything that this show is about.
This is medicine or myth. For some people, looking backwards is the key to a healthier future. Malaysian-born Andrew's respect for the past is his key ingredient to healing.
My great-grandfather was a herbalist. And I've always had this curiosity and fascination, with the old Chinese herbalists.
It's really important that we bring in traditional Chinese medicine into the modern world right now, because all these remedies have been used for such a long time.
Chinese herbs are Andrew's passion, and he's determined to preserve his family's heritage by sharing some of their secrets.
This is actually bringing back tradition and heritage and a little bit of who I am. Hello, how are you?
I'm very well. Look like you've got a platter of goodness here for us.
Yes, I do. This is a cough remedy.